145,834 page views for 2 years. Ito po yung knowledge niyan. This is such an achievement po. Pwede niya parati ba? Ayan, kasi yung photo.
Picture po. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Yan. Ayan po.
Ikatin mo muna, huwag din akong ulan na.
Thank you po for this recognition. And seeing yung mga numbers ng mga vloggers and influencers, I think I can do better. Right now kasi I'm inconsistent pa eh. So regular posting with all relevant topics. And then, nag-enroll kasi ako sa SEO and copywriting. So hopefully within the year, mag-improve yung numbers. Yeah, thank you.
Yes po. Let's go for the
Thank you.
Congratulations.